Good morning, everybody. Join in for the workout. Good morning, everybody. Please join in for the workout. I'm going to off the comment section just in a minute. Hello. Yeah, I got just like 4 minutes delayed. I'm really sorry for that. Let's start the workout, right? We know the drill. We are going to start with the stretching part. We are going to just warm up, and we are doing what we are doing today. We are doing a full body Tabata hit. अब what is a Tabata hit? आपने पहले कर रखा है Tabata hit मेरे साथ पहले? Anybody in this page? Have you done the workout? Have you done Tabata hit workout? Basically, what it is? See guys, in Tabata hit what we do, it's a high intensity training. पर हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, एक टाइम इंटरवल तक हम ट्रेन करते हैं और फिर हम एक टाइम इंटरवल का गैप लेते हैं. जो आपका गैप इंटरवल होता है वो बहुत कम होता है और आपका ट्रेनिंग पीरियड थोड़ा ज्यादा होता है, राइट. और क्या होता है बेसिकली टबाटा हिट को हाई इंटेंसिटी हिट क्यों बोलेंगे? ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज इट हैज लेस ब्रेक्स, राइट. सो इसमें लेस ब्रेक्स रहेंगी और ये आपका बहुत ही इफेक्टिव वर्कआउट है for losing your calories. It is very effective and it is going to increase your endurance. It is going to increase your strength as well as, so it's a very good workout. So I'm going to start the workout now. Hi, good morning Gunjan. I'm just going to start the workout. Please join in everybody. Jaldi join ho jao sabke saath. I'm just going to start in a minute because I'm waiting for people to join in. I'm just waiting for people to join in, some few people to join in. Hello everybody. I'm going to come again after the workout is done. Then I'm going to talk with you guys. I thought just like first we should complete our workout, right? I'm new to the page. Yes, you can start with this. See, I think if you have done थोड़ा बहुत अपने वर्कआउट पहले फिटनेस में हो तो अगर आपने कर रखा हो तो you can start. And when you think that it's happening too much, then just stop, take a break, do with modification, because I tell modifications, and if you're new and you cannot complete it fully reps, then you can go for modification. Okay, that's how I recommend to you. Okay, yes, we can. Let's start. Okay, join in. Sabke sab join ho jao. Come on, be on your mat. Just relax, rub your hands, everybody. Okay, so it's not a long workout. It's a small workout, but still the intensity is going to be high. Okay, you don't have to stop a lot. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, just rub your hands. Cup your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, take your right hand on your left ear and just stretch your neck little bit. Please apply gentle pressure. Don't apply too much pressure while doing this. You are going to face injury. Other side. Please from your fingers support your neck, look down. And look up. Look towards the right, towards the left. Slowly. Towards the right, towards the left. Nobody is going to haste. कोई भी जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करेगा. Everybody is going to do stretching and give it time. Otherwise you're going to enjoy yourself, right? I'm going to stretch my legs first. Okay, आप थोड़ा अपने shoulder width apart, legs को रखेंगे. Bend down, keeping your back straight. Okay, you're going to face a good stretch on your hamstrings and on your glutes. Go down, everybody. And slowly come up. One more time, go down. Slowly come up. One more time, go down. Stretch your hamstrings, stretch your glutes. And come up. Go to a wall, hold it, stretch your quads. Or if you can balance like this, just balance like this and stretch your quads. आई वुड रिकमेंड गो टू वॉल, क्योंकि आप अच्छा स्ट्रेच फेस करोगे विथ वॉल, यू नो. Come on, stretch. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now what you're doing? You're just rotating your ankles slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. अगर आपको shoes पहनना है तो please पहन लो. If you think your ankles are weak, because yes, we are doing a lot of a bit of jumping movements, not lot. So please wear shoes if you want to wear, because we are doing some jumping movements. And if you think your ankles are weak, please wear it. Slowly. Okay. Keep hands on your face. Just go circles. Lock your knees. These are your knees, right? You have to lock them. You don't have to move them. Knees को बिल्कुल lock रखेंगे and you have to go circles, right? See, every exercise is going to be for 30 seconds, right? You don't have to give up. आप 2 या 1-2 सेकेंड बीच में ब्रेक ले सकते हो, फिर वापस कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. Okay, but it's not like after 15 seconds you are like saying I'm giving up. It cannot happen. No, you will not do that. You will take 3 to 4 seconds break and then you will come up again. One arm rotations. Everybody keep hands on your waist and rotate. One arm rotations, right? These are one arm rotations. Reverse the direction. Look straight. Other side. Just repeat. I'm going to tell you modifications if you are new to the page. रिलैक्स गाइस, ठीक है. स्टैक करो अपने एल्बोज को. आई कॉल दिस एलिफेंट ट्रंक स्ट्रेच. एकदम एक हाथ एकदम एलिफेंट ट्रंक जैसा रहता है एंड यू आर स्ट्रेचिंग योर शोल्डर्स. अदर साइड प्लीज. See, these stretches are very important, right? You cannot like give up on them. It is very important to before starting. Rotate your wrist, because you're going to do a lot of push-ups or you're going to do some plank jacks, so you need good wrist. Up and down, in and out. Up and down, in and out. Relax. Open. We are doing some cardio drills first, just to get your heart rate up. Start with your jogs. Slowly start jogging. Everybody start with jogging. Start your jogs. Come on. Start jogging. Do slow jogs. Don't rush. एकदम से कूदो मत. धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट करो. Your body needs some time, you know, to recognize some movements. You cannot immediately jump. Just, you can even go side to side, side to side, jogs slowly. Don't stop. Even this is for 30 seconds. You cannot stop. It started. आपने लाइव ऑन किया है, अब आप लाइव ऑफ नहीं करोगे and you're going to start moving. Come on. Side to side. Come on. 10 seconds more. Side to side. Relax. Now what we are doing? We are doing some butt kicks. These are butt kicks. I don't want you to jump. Just do this. No? अगर आपके नी से क्रैकलिंग वॉइस आती है, डोंट वरी, कुछ नहीं है आपको. You have started moving, right? And you have not moved for a long period of time, so it happens. और move भी होगे तभी भी, no? You need, your joint needs movement, right? आपके जॉइंट्स को भी मूवमेंट चाहिए. सो दीज आर बट किक्स. कैन यू सी? जस्ट स्टार्ट डूइंग इट फॉर 10 seconds more. I'm not making you jump in this exercise. Just do it. You're just warming up your body. Relax. Now what you're doing? You're doing some jumping jacks for 30 seconds, right? 1, 2, 3. See, I'm going to tell you modification. कैसे? देखो, अगर आप जंप नहीं कर सकते हो, साइड टू साइड आप जस्ट हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, नीचे लेके जाएंगे. ठीक है? फुल मूवमेंट, लेग्स एंड हैंड्स. इफ यू कैन जंप, जस्ट डू इट विथ मी. 1, 2, 3, स्टार्ट. कम ऑन, 30 seconds. You cannot stop now. फुल मूवमेंट. मेक श्योर आपके नीज एकदम स्प्रिंग के जैसे काम कर रहे हैं. जंपिंग जैक्स. Come on, move. Ten seconds more. Relax, breathe in, breathe out. Okay. See, now you have warmed up. Now your body is like little bit warmed up. Now what you're going to do? You're going to come towards the sets. ठीक है? सबसे पहले आप क्या कर रहे हो? Listen. You're doing 2 push-ups. Combining with 2 plank jacks. I'm going to tell you modification. Don't worry. After that, what you're going to do? Half crunches. And then for 30 seconds. And for 30 seconds, you're holding pike hold. See, I'm going to tell modifications. हो सकता है pike hold नहीं हो बहुतों से, क्योंकि arm strength अच्छी चाहिए उसके लिए. Okay, I'm going to tell you modification. See, सबसे पहले आप करोगे 2 push-ups and 2 plank jacks. कैसे? Just go down on your knees, do 2 push-ups. 1, 2, right? And then you're doing 2 plank jacks. How? 1, 2, right? Again, you're doing 2 push-ups and then 2 plank jacks. Okay. Then what you're doing next? You're doing some half crunches. What are half crunches? See everybody, back to back 2 rounds. You are doing 30 seconds. Okay, you don't have to hide your face. Keep your face, no, just make sure your arms are just aside and you're not hiding your face. That's a wrong form. You have to come up, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in करना है आपको ऊपर आते वक्त, breathe out, down. Okay, what's the third exercise? Pike hold. अब see what are pike holds? Pike holds are basically this. आपके हाथ जो होते हैं ना अंदर की तरफ होते हैं. Your hands are going to be inward. Your fingers are going to face inward, right? See, this is pike hold. This is a correct form of pike hold. Okay. See, अगर आप ये करोगे ना, I am literally saying आपकी hand stand, head stands करने की पावर भी बढ़ेगी. Okay, which you have to learn, right? So आपको इस तरीके से होल्ड करना है. I know अब थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है. जो लोग नहीं होल्ड कर सकते पाइक होल्ड, वो सिर्फ नॉर्मल हाई प्लैंक होल्ड करेंगे. हाई प्लैंक कैसे होता है देखो. सी, दिस इज हाई प्लैंक. यू आर गोइंग टू होल्ड योर हाई प्लैंक. ओके, फॉर 30 seconds. Am I clear to you guys? 2 push-ups, 2 plank jacks, and then basically half crunches. We are focusing on upper body, right? Pike hold. Am I clear, guys? Should we start? It's back to back 2 rounds, 30 seconds drill. See, if you want to take break in between, आप 1 या 2 सेकेंड ब्रेक ले सकते हो बीच में. ठीक है, but you don't have to give up. Like it's not happening. That's not going to happen. ठीक है, you have started. You cannot give up with me, right? Start करें. I think I'm clear. A lot of people are saying it is clear, right? So let's start. Okay, I'm going to turn off the comments. Let's start with some push-ups and then obviously plank jacks. Okay, do it with your own speed. I would say just do it with your own speed, guys. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बहुत ज्यादा भी जल्दी करो, पर ठीक है, don't do it too slow also. Okay, start करें. 1, 2, 3, come on, start. 2 push-ups. जिनको स्ट्रेंथ अच्छा है, प्लीज डू फुल पुशअप्स ऑल्सो. शो इट टू मी. On your high plank, come on, 2 plank jacks. 1, up, 2, and up. Again, go down. 2 push-ups. 1, 2. Come on, 2 plank jacks. 1, 2. Again, on your knees. 2 push-ups. I'm counting. You just do your reps. Come on, 10 seconds more. You can do one more. Come on. Okay, relax. ठीक है. जो लोग नहीं कर सकते पुशअप, प्लैंक जैक्स, वो होल्ड करेंगे प्लैंक, हाई प्लैंक को, और पुशअप को भी होल्ड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ वी आर डूइंग हाफ क्रंचेस. एवरीबडी कैन डू दिस, राइट? जस्ट बी ऑन योर मैट, lay down. It's 10 seconds break between each exercise, right? In 10 seconds you have to start again, right? 1, 2, don't hide your face guys. 1, 2, 3, start. See, in this Tabata hit, what we do, we don't count reps. It's time-based workout. So you have to focus on your rep. Come on. Breathe in. Support your neck properly. I don't want any injuries. अब बहुत लोग पता है बहुत गड़बड़ करते हैं, नेक की एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. सी व्हाट दे डू, दिस इज अ मिस्टेक. प्लीज कंटिन्यू इफ यू डू इन द करेक्ट वे. सी वो लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं, नेक को एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. अभी नेक का एक्सरसाइज नहीं है, ये एब्स का एक्सरसाइज है. ओके, 10 more seconds. Relax. Okay, now what we are doing, pike hold. Okay, who cannot do pike hold will do high plank hold. ठीक है, या elbow plank भी कर सकते हो जो हमने पहले कर रखा है, पर ट्राई करो. ठीक है, it is going to help you guys. ठीक है, you are going to face a little head rush. थोड़ा head rush face हो सकता है आपको. ब्रेक लो, फिर वापस आप करो. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कंटिन्यूसली 30 सेकेंड्स. इवन आई एम गोइंग टू टेक ब्रेक इन बिटवीन. ओके, हैंड्स इनवर्ड्स, अंदर की तरफ रखेंगे आप अपने हाथ. ठीक है, come on. 1, 2, 3, hold it. Just holding it. Make sure your elbows are pointed outside. Just hold your pike hold. Look down. Nobody is going to look up because you're going to face head rush. That's why it is difficult, because you face head rush. Come on, breathe in, breathe out. You're just holding it, right? This is pike hold. By this, you can increase your strength for push-ups, for handstand, headstands. This is a beginning step. I'm going to take break for at least 2 or 3 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. See, you face head rush, don't worry. It's normal. Again, holding for 10 seconds more. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now I'm going to complete one more round and I'm going to come and talk to you guys. Okay. Let's start with 2 push-ups and 2 plank jacks, half crunches and then pike hold. Again. Okay. Let's start guys. 1, 2, 3. I know I'm giving you less breaks, but why not? Right? Come on. 2 push-ups. Who cannot do push-ups, at least go down this and come up. ठीक है, और जो लोग पुशअप नहीं कर सकते, मैं उनके लिए एक और चीज बता देती हूँ. Please guys, I have 10 seconds. I am giving you 10 seconds break. See who cannot do push-ups, because I don't want you guys to get disappointed if you cannot do. आपके पास कोई भी wall होगा, right? Imagine this is a wall, ठीक है? And I'm going to just do push-up on the wall. 1 and 2. I hope it's visible. Wall पे जाओ, do 1 and come 2, and then again go down, hold the high plank. जो लोग पुशअप नहीं कर सकते हैं, डू वॉल पुशअप्स. सी हाउ. 1, assume there is a wall, and 2. So this is how you can do it. Okay, let's start guys. 2 push-ups. 1 and 2. Come on, plank jacks. 1, 2. Again, going to start with push-ups. 1, 2. Touch your chest down. Complete reps. Again 2 push-ups. Come on. 2 plank jacks. Again 2 push-ups. Come on. Last rep. Two plank jacks. I know it comes on your shoulder, but you have to be strong, right? Come on, let's start with half crunches. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, don't hide your face, just do some crunches. 1, 2, 3. Come on, start. 30 seconds. You're going to keep yourself very slowly. कोई भी पटकेगा नहीं अपने आप को. Okay, just don't keep it brutally. Your movement should be smooth and controlled. Otherwise, you're not going to face effect. Come on, can you hear me? Breathe in, breathe out. Come on. Come on, guys. Last 5 seconds. Relax. Now I'm going to do pike holds. Okay, see, I'm going to do pike holds. Just come on your mat, and if not possible doing a pike hold, you can hold your high plank. Okay, just make sure your hands are inward. ठीक है, थोड़ा हेड रश आएगा. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Don't give up. You can do this. Hold it for at least 10 seconds. See what is the effect. How your shoulders are reacting, how your ankles are reacting, how your body is reacting to this hold. Hold it for at least 10 seconds. Okay, you can take break if you want to. Breathe in, breathe out. Elbows out. Come on, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on now. Have you completed? Were you able to do that pike hold? क्या आप pike hold कर पाए? Just tell me. I'm going to tell you what is your second set. You're basically doing some snow angels, and then you're basically doing some squat jumps and squats, and then you're doing some tricep push-ups. Yep, good. If you did it for 30 seconds, good. See, can you tell guys कि आपसे पुशअप हो पाता है? Because I want you guys, I want people to help. No, I want कि सबसे पुशअप हो पाए. And if not possible, I can tell you modifications. So that is what I want to know. Can you do full push-ups, or you're doing some wall push-ups, or you're doing just holding your push-up position? What are you doing in your push-ups? प्लैंक जैक नहीं हो पाया. सी प्लैंक जैक्स नहीं हो पाता है क्योंकि यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ आर्म स्ट्रेंथ. होल्ड योर हाई प्लैंक. जैसे जैसे आपका होल्ड करोगे ना, वैसे वैसे आपका स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डूइंग दिस एक्सरसाइजेस, कि हम चाहते हैं हमारा स्ट्रेंथ बढ़े. ओके, नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू 1 minute break. Knee push-ups, good. Able to do knee push-ups, good. See, if you're able to do knee push-ups, full push-ups दूर नहीं है, trust me. Okay, if you're able to do perfectly fine knee push-up, अगर आप कर पाते हो, you're touching your chest down and coming up, and you're making sure that your hands are on a perfect position. ठीक है, तो मैं आपको बता दूं, full push-ups भी दूर नहीं होते हैं. Okay. Okay. See, who are not able to do plank jacks and who are not able to do full push-ups or knee push-ups also, just go on a wall and do that wall push-up. Okay, 1 2. अभी हम tricep push-up करने वाले हैं, तो आई एम गोइंग टू even tell you some hold, tricep hold बताऊंगी, वो आप करना. नहीं हो पाता है, वॉल पे जाके आप करोगे tricep push-up. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फुल पुशअप नहीं हो पाते, कोई बात नहीं, वो हो जाएगा. ठीक है, नी पुशअप होने चाहिए अभी फिलहाल. ठीक है ना, उस पर फोकस है हमारा. सबसे पहले हम करेंगे अपने स्नो एंजल्स. ठीक है, अब स्नो एंजल्स पहले आपने मेरे साथ कर रखे हैं. जस्ट लाइक स्विमिंग होती है, पर आपने इसमें पैर नहीं हिलाने. पैर आपके स्टेबल रहेंगे. यू आर वर्किंग योर लैट्स. दीज आर योर लैट मसल्स, योर बैक मसल्स, योर लैट मसल्स. देन यू आर गोइंग, जस्ट सी द फॉर्म. 30 seconds यू आर डूइंग इट. ओके, सी हाउ. 1. ओके, फ्रंट में जाओगे पूरे हाथ लेके और बैक में जाओगे. 1 2. ओके, देयर इज लेस स्पेस हियर. आई एम गोइंग टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट. थोड़ा सा आगे. ठीक है, मेरे लेग्स कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, डोंट वरी. इफ यू कैन नॉट सी माई लेग्स, डोंट वरी, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है लेग्स के साथ. 1 2. So these are snow angels. Okay, after that what you're doing, you're doing some squat jumps and 2 squats. See how, just 2 squat jumps, 2 squat jumps, and then you're doing 2 squats. 1 and 2. 30 seconds. You don't have to count your reps. Okay, अब जो लोग जंप नहीं कर सकते वो क्या करेंगे, they will just go down, launch on your toes. टोज पे आओगे आप अपने. Go down on your toes. ठीक है, and then 2 normal push-ups, or you can hold the wall and do it, right? Hold the wall कैसे? Wall को hold करो, go down, come on up. Okay, this is how you can do your push-ups. I'm telling you modification from a beginner level to a very advanced level. ठीक है, तो आप जो आपका केस है आप उसमें करो. जो आपको लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए इफेक्टिव रहेगा वो आप करोगे. ठीक है, ट्राइसेप पुशअप. आई थिंक यू हैव डन इट और नॉट डन इट. सी, ट्राइसेप पुशअप में क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द केस, आप अपना जो हाथ है ना थोड़ा सा पास में रखते हो. थोड़ा सा पास में क्यों? चेस्ट के एकदम इधर नहीं रखते हो, थोड़ा सा आप मिडिल में रखते हो. क्यों? बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू फेस सम गुड मूवमेंट इन योर ट्राइसेप्स. ट्राइसेप्स आर अ वेरी बिग मसल्स इन योर अपर बॉडी. आर्म्स की सबसे बड़ी मसल ही ट्राइसेप होती है. ठीक है, बेसिकली यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क दैट. सी हाउ, गो डाउन, कम ऑन अप. सी, अब थोड़ा ये डिफिकल्ट होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि यू हैव नॉट वर्कड योर ट्राइसेप्स. आपने अपने ट्राइसेप पे काम नहीं किया है. तो आप क्या करोगे, जितना आप नीचे जा सकते हो उतना आप जाओगे एंड फिर ऊपर आओगे. वर्क योर ट्राइसेप्स. ठीक है, दिस इज अ मॉडिफिकेशन. नाउ अगेन व्हाट यू कैन डू, जो लोग से पुशअप नहीं हो पाता वो ऐसे पोजीशन में आएंगे, होल्ड करेंगे, दैट्स इट. ओके, दे आर जस्ट गोइंग टू होल्ड इट फॉर 30 seconds. नहीं हो पाता है 30 seconds full, take rest and do it again. Okay, I hope I am clear. ठीक है, I have told you modification from a very beginner level to an advanced level. ठीक है, जो toe push-ups कर सकते हैं वो toe push-ups भी करेंगे. Okay, let's start guys. Okay, now first what you are doing, you are doing some snow angels. I am going to shift my mat towards here so that I can do it properly. My furniture is not an obstacle for me. Okay, let's go down. My legs are doing nothing. You will look down. See, you will look down. कोई भी ऊपर नहीं देखेगा या आगे से नहीं देखेगा. आप अपनी नेक को इंजर कर लोगे. ठीक है, 30 seconds and you're not stopping. Okay, let's start. You're working your lat muscles. 1, 2, 3, start. Full movement, full motion. Don't count your reps, just do it. Look down, don't look up or look straight. Just look down. Snow angels. Come on, 10 seconds more. You can do this. Relax. Come on up. Now you're doing 2 squat jumps and 2 squats. Okay, who cannot jump, please do that. Toe squats. Okay, 1, 2, 3, come on. Come on, 2 squats. 1. Breathe in, breathe out. I hope आपको स्क्वाट का पोजीशन क्लियर होगा. आपका टोस, आपका नी और टोस एक ही लाइन में होगा आउटसाइड. Come on. Okay, come on, 2 push-ups. I mean 2 squats, sorry. Squeeze. Come on, don't stop. You can do it fast, right? Come on. 2 squat jumps and 2 squats. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come on, try this. Come on, last 10 seconds. Don't stop. After this, tricep push-ups. Squeeze. Squeeze. Relax. Now you're doing tricep push-ups. ठीक है? See, I have kept the workout very easy because according to me this is easy. पर थोड़ा ऐसा है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ थोड़ी टेस्ट होगी, स्पेशली अपर बॉडी की. ओके, सो मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग सम मॉडिफिकेशन. ठीक है, जैसे भी आपको करना है करो. वर्क योर ट्राइसेप्स. कैसे? फर्स्ट डू हाफ रेप्स. ठीक है, नहीं अच्छा है उस हाफ रेप्स करने से अच्छा है कि आप ट्राइसेप को होल्ड करो पीछे वाली पोजीशन पे. ओके, 1, हाथ थोड़ा पास में, मिडिल में. लेट्स डू 1, 2, 3, 30 seconds. Touch your chest down. Come on up, 30 seconds. Tricep push-ups. You're working your triceps. Come on. On your knees. Don't stop. You can take break. Break ले सकते हो आप for 2 seconds. Then again start. Okay. Touch your chest down. Come on up. Come on. After some time you're going to feel less strength. Come on. 5 seconds more. And relax. Okay. See, tricep push-up is one of the difficult variation of a push-up. I'm not lying. Okay. Tricep push-up is a difficult variation form of push-up. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है डिसअपॉइंट मत हो, ट्राई करो. ठीक है, जितना आप ट्राई करोगे उतना आप इफेक्टिवली कर पाओगे. गो टू अ वॉल एंड डू वॉल पुशअप. ओके, दैट्स द मॉडिफिकेशन. गो टू अ वॉल एंड डू वॉल पुशअप. ओके, let's start again. Okay, I am doing snow angels, making sure that I am perfectly doing and looking down. Okay, come on, 1 2 3 start. Snow angels. Look down everybody, you will not look up. यू कैन टेक ब्रेक इफ यू वॉन्ट टू टेक ब्रेक. ठीक है, अगर आपकी लैट्स बहुत ज्यादा पेन कर रहे हैं तो 2 मिनट रुको, टेक 2 सेकेंड रेस्ट एंड देन रिज्यूम. कम ऑन, लास्ट 10 seconds. Last 5 4 3 2 1. Relax. Come on now. 2 squat jumps and 2 squats. ठीक है, I want full speed now. Breathe in, breathe out. 1 2 3 start. Come on, 2 squats, 2 squat jumps. You can do this easily. Come on. Two squats. Squeeze. Squeeze. 2 squat jumps. 2 squats. Come on. 2 squat jumps. 2 squats. Squeeze. Squeeze. Come on. 2 squat jumps. Do it with modification. 2 squats. 2 squat jumps. Land soft like a cat. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. You're doing some tricep push-up. नहीं हो रहा है, ball push-up करो. Hold करो tricep position को. Okay. How you going to hold? See. This is how you're going to hold. Hold this position. I'm going to do tricep push-ups. Try guys. थोड़ा हाथ अपना पास में रखोगे आप. ठीक है. Breathe in, breathe out. Come on. Start. 1 2 3 down. Touch your chest down. You're working your triceps. Come on. Not going to stop. Take break. Start again. Do it slow. But don't stop. Come on. Last 10 seconds. Then I'm going to come and talk to you. Relax. Come on up. Okay. Were you able to do it? हो पाया आपसे ट्राइसेप पुशअप्स? आई रियली वॉन्ट टू नो वेयर यू आर. ठीक है, जब तक मुझे नहीं पता पड़ेगा ना आप कहाँ पे हो, तब तक आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू, राइट? ओके. ओके, नहीं हो पाया, डोंट वरी. ठीक है, जस्ट डू वॉल पुशअप्स. डिड यू डू विथ मॉडिफिकेशन? डिड यू ऑप्ट फॉर मॉडिफिकेशन? Modification is not wrong. Okay, even you opted for modification, good. Okay, half. Good if you did halfway. Because you know it is a little bit tricky because you are keeping your hands just close to your chest and in the center, so it comes on your arms. You have not worked your triceps. अगर आपने अपने triceps को काम में नहीं लिया है पहले, तो strength develop नहीं हुई होगी. Okay. Done? Good. Okay, good. A lot of people have done, so I'm so glad. ठीक है, अभी हम देखते हैं कि क्या नेक्स्ट है. गिविंग यू गुड ब्रेक्स. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप क्या करने वाले हो? शोल्डर टैप्स. ठीक है, शोल्डर टैप्स आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू कैसे करना है. प्रॉपर फॉर्म में करोगे, गलत तरीके से नहीं करोगे, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात. ठीक है, यू गोइंग टू डू इट इन अ प्रॉपर फॉर्म. सो यू आर डूइंग सम शोल्डर टैप्स, देन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, you're doing some bicycle crunches. कल भी हमने किया था, आज भी कर रहेंगे. तो bicycle crunches. फिर आप क्या करने वाले हो? burpees. हाफ burpees. फुल burpees नहीं रखा है, हाफ burpees रखा है. देखो, see, सबसे पहले shoulder taps. 30 seconds you're doing it. Take break, resume, don't give up. Okay, see how it's going to be. Keeping your back straight. This is a perfect position. ओके, अब आप क्या कर सकते हो इसमें बैलेंस करने के लिए? थोड़ा लेग्स वाइड रखो, हाथ पास में रखो. 1 2 3. आपको ज्यादा स्टेबिलिटी मिलेगी. यू आर गोइंग टू फेस मोर स्टेबिलिटी इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कीप योर लेग्स अ लिटिल बिट वाइड एंड हैंड्स क्लोजर. हाथ पास में रखो, लेग्स थोड़े वाइड. 1 2 3. यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर 30 seconds. Okay, so take break in the middle and then resume again. Okay, so 30 seconds you are doing for shoulder taps. Now you are doing bicycle crunches for 30 seconds. How you are going to do? Please concentrate. Open. 1 2. We have done it tomorrow. एक एल्बो आपका ग्राउंड पे, एक एल्बो आपका नी पे. अब सी व्हाट प्रॉब्लम डू यू फेस. ठीक है, क्या होता है आपका नेक ऐसे ऐसे कोई नहीं करेगा. यू आर नॉट मूविंग योर नेक. Your neck should be stable and supported properly. Don't injure it. इधर उधर देख के इंजर मत करना उसको. ठीक है, this is a proper form of bicycle crunches. What is next? Half burpees. See, half burpees. Do it like a devil. कैसे? Just jump, hop in, jump, hop in. Okay. See, if you cannot jump, just go down. Okay, can you see? Just go down halfway, come on up, straight back. You're coming up with a straight back, not a hump back. This is hump back. You're coming up with a straight back. I hope I'm clear, guys. This is one of your last set. I'm not stopping in this now. Clear है आप सबको? Shoulder taps. Shoulder taps के बाद what you're doing? You're doing some. After that, half burpees. So it is important कि आपको कोई डाउट नहीं हो. It's clear? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, now I'm not stopping, guys. Okay, shoulder taps, bicycle crunches, half burpees. Okay. Okay. 1 2 3, start. 1. Take break if you want to take break, but don't give up. Seconds. It is difficult to do some shoulder taps. Wait and then resume again. Come on, last 10 seconds left. Relax. Okay, now you're doing some bicycle crunches for 30 good seconds. Breathe in, breathe out का ध्यान रखोगे please guys. Okay, do it in a proper form. See, proper form is very important. That is why I focus a lot on the form. 1, 2, full movement. Come on, last 10 seconds. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Come on up like an undertaker. And then you're doing some half burpees, okay? Just half burpees. Do it with jump or without jump. Up to you, okay? It is easy, just try. It is going to work your full body. Your arms, your legs, your core, okay? Start. 30 seconds. At least do 12. देखो, at least do 12, okay? Straight back, okay? Hop in with straight back. Come on. Come on, if you can do more than 12, good. Just note it down कि कितना आप कर पाते हो. First round में और second round में कितना आप कर पाते हो, note it down and tell me कि ना first round I could pull 12, I could pull 10, 5, whatever is your number, and then see how you can do it in the second round. Okay, let's start again. Shoulder taps. Sit down, breathe in, breathe out, just relax. You need some relaxation. Come on, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, start. Shoulder taps. Stabilize yourself. ओके, डोंट hump it down. ऐसा कोई नहीं करेगा. Come on, last 10 seconds. Control motion. Nobody will wing their butt. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. What you are doing? Some bicycle crunches. Full motion. No injuring your neck. Neck को आप injure नहीं करोगे अपने, ठीक है? I've seen a lot of people doing it in a wrong way, and this is the most effective and basic exercise. Okay, so don't do it wrong. The basics should be strong. Can you see my one leg is in air only? It is not dropping. Come on, breathe in, breathe out. Relax, breathe in, breathe out, come up like an undertaker. and then you're doing some half burpees. Okay, see burpees आना बहुत important है, especially in Tabata hit, because you work your entire body and it's a very good high intensity training, right? 1 2 3, come on, count your reps, tell me how much did you do in 30 seconds. Come on, show some speed now, guys. Hopping it straight back. Come on, last 5 seconds. And relax. Okay. So did you complete it? Tell me how much did you did? Complete किया आपने? Was it effective, guys? You worked your upper body, you worked your legs, you worked your core, right? Okay, good. 10, good. 10, good. Completed, good. 10 is a very good number. Trust me. अना आप लोग बहुत जल्दी आगे फिटनेस में निकल जाओगे अगर इतने अच्छे अच्छे नंबर लेके आ रहे हो आप, तो वेल डन. ठीक है, फिर फुल बर्पीज भी करिए. अगर 10 हाफ कर सकते हो तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन पुल 8 और 7 फुल बर्पीज, राइट? सो गुड नंबर. आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर यू कैन डू. लाइक किसने 15 किया है अभी पता नहीं, किया है नहीं किया है, बट गुड इफ यू हैव डन इट. वेरी गुड. ओके, गुड. ओके, 13, 10, वेरी गुड. गुड नंबर्स. 9, 10, वेरी गुड नंबर. ओके, गुड. ठीक है, अभी किसने 5 भी किया होगा ना, वेल डन. यू आर गोइंग टू रीच. ओके, देयर. ओके, सी नाउ 11 completed. Okay, good. 14, good. Okay, good. Okay, होता है burpees के बाद यू शिवा. Okay. See, I have like less time left. थोड़ा अभी आपका ऑलमोस्ट वर्कआउट खत्म हो गया है, पर मैं चाहती हूँ थोड़ा सा आप हल्का 2 मिनट्स का ओवर टाइम करो मेरे साथ. ठीक है, अब ओवर टाइम में क्या है, सबसे पहले आप करने वाले हो स्केटर जंप्स. 30 seconds. These are skater jumps. And then what you're doing? You are doing some suicide drills. Suicide drills कैसे होती है? Tap, tap, keeping your back straight. See who cannot jump और जिनमें अभी एनर्जी बहुत कम बची है और उनको लग रहा है कि हम वीक हैं, ठीक है, अभी नहीं हो पा रहा, तो just go tap and tap, right? Just 30 seconds. Just consider this as your overtime workout. Skater jumps and then suicide drills. Okay? Because I want you guys to burn a little bit more. Some reflection is coming. Okay? So let's do some skater jumps and then you are doing some suicide drills. Okay. Am I clear? Skater jumps. 1, 2, 3. Start. See. Who cannot jump? They will tap at the back of their mat like this. Just start with me. Consider this as your overtime workout. Come on, let's burn, guys. The festive is over. Come on. Use your hands to balance yourself. 30 seconds. Or you can do with modification. Consider this as your overtime workout. Come on. After this, we're going to stretch. It's almost over. Come on. You can do this with me. Let's burn a little bit more. Let's earn our meal, right? Or tap. Come on, 10 seconds more. Or tap. Relax. Now what you're doing, some suicide drills. Okay, come on. Let's brace. 1, 2, 3. Come on, tap. 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 Keeping your back straight. How? See. Tap and tap. Okay, keeping your back straight. Nobody will hum. Suicide drills. इनको suicide drills बोलते हैं इसीलिए. It's a CrossFit exercise. Come on. Let's sweat a little bit more. Maybe I am going off screen, but please complete, okay? Come on. Do it with modification. Just move side to side and tap, keeping your back straight. Move side to side and tap, keeping your back straight. If you cannot jump and you have lost energy, come on. Morning cardio is very important, see guys. Especially people who are facing PCOD, thyroid problem, they should do this. Come on. 10 seconds more. And relax. Breathe in, breathe out. आराम से sit in your child's pose. ये आपका child pose होता है ना, बालासन. आराम से इसमें बैठो. Come on, you need some relaxation. Come on. Relax. Forehead to the mat. Just relax as someone is stretching your hands. Relax, guys. Good job, well done. I know your legs would be paining. Come in your tabletop. This is your tabletop position. Okay? I'm going to explain. Keeping your back straight. Doing cat and cow stretch. Come on, breathe in. Arch your back. Breathe out. Round your back. Nobody will leave no stretching. Nobody will leave stretching. Because it is very important. Otherwise, you're going to face some pain in your back, in your legs, on your shoulders. That is not good, right? We don't want any injuries or we don't want any pain from the workout. We want some good results, right? So, do stretch. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out. Look down. Tummy tucked in. Chin inside. One more. Relax. Okay, lay down on your belly. Okay, come on up, Bhujangasana. And again go down. Hold it. Again go down. Come on up. Relax. Come in tabletop again. Now we're going to do thread and needle stretch. सबसे पहले आप टेबल टॉप में आओगे, आपका राइट हैंड स्लाइड होगा इनसाइड एंड यू आर गोइंग टू स्ट्रेच योर शोल्डर्स. लुक टुवर्ड्स द सीलिंग. सीलिंग की तरफ देखिए प्लीज. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come on up. Other side. Just stretch it out. See, these are very important. And relax. Come on up. Okay, sit down, everybody. Just sit down. Okay. Sit in your Sukhasana. This is your Sukhasana. ठीक है, आप अपना राइट हैंड लेफ्ट नी पे रखोगे. एक्सटेंड बैक, स्पाइनल एक्सटेंशन. Other side. Relax. Come in your butterfly. This is your butterfly. Okay, sit in your butterfly. Just make sure that you're facing a good stretch on your inner thighs. These are your inner thighs. Just relax. Okay, press it down. Open it like a book so it will know. Your knees will be more towards the ground. Just if you want to flutter, you can flutter. Back straight. do it for like good 30 seconds. You're going to feel nice. It's a very good